Creating a pivot table in Excel is a great way to quickly analyze and summarize large amounts of data. In this video, I am going to walk through the steps to create a pivot table in Excel. This is a set of data that we want to summarize using a pivot table. In order to do that, we go to this sheet and select this cell and click Insert tab. From here, we select the pivot table. And it asks for table and range. We click here and come to this sheet and select from A1 to F26. Now we select the source data and we click OK. Now a new empty pivot table is added to the sheet. So from here we select the product and we select the quarter 1 and 2. As you can see, it quickly summarized the list of the products and their sums and their grand total in a simple table.